FutureLearn Review. Welcome to this FutureLearn Review. Links to FutureLearn and its subscription options can be found in the description below. FutureLearn is a highly accessible online learning platform offering short courses, professional certifications, and degree programs from renowned universities and institutions worldwide. It's designed for anyone looking to expand their knowledge, improve professional skills, or earn academic qualifications, all from the comfort of their home. FutureLearn stands out for its collaborative approach to online education. Courses are structured around social learning, encouraging participants to engage in discussions with peers and instructors. This interaction fosters a community feel that enhances the learning experience, making it ideal for those who value collaboration and feedback. The platform offers a wide range of topics, from healthcare and technology to business management, arts, and humanities. Whether you want to delve into data science, learn about global health, or explore creative writing, FutureLearn has you covered. One of FutureLearn's key features is its flexible learning format. Most courses are free to join, with optional upgrades for certificates and unlimited access. For learners pursuing accredited programs, FutureLearn provides opportunities to earn micro-credentials and even fully online degrees from prestigious universities. The courses are well-paced, and the platform's intuitive design makes navigation seamless. FutureLearn caters to a diverse audience, including students, working professionals, and lifelong learners. The flexibility to learn at your own pace, combined with high-quality content from expert educators, makes it accessible for people with varying schedules and goals. Moreover, the platform emphasizes practical knowledge, equipping learners with skills they can immediately apply in their careers or studies. In summary, FutureLearn is a fantastic platform for both casual and professional learning. Its collaborative learning environment, diverse course offerings, and flexible options for certification make it a top choice for anyone looking to learn or grow. If you're ready to explore FutureLearn's offerings and see how it can meet your learning needs, check the links in the description and get started today.